Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Zelle to Wise. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So now, transferring funds directly from Zelle to Wise isn't supported, as Zelle operates exclusively within the US bank account, and Wise cannot receive payment using Zelle. So here's a simple alternative method, or a simple workaround method, on how you can simply use a US bank account as an intermediary. So the best thing to do is to receive funds using your Zelle, then accept the Zelle transfer into your US bank account, then transfer to Wise. So log into your Wise account, navigate to the Add Money section, then choose your US bank account as the source and follow the prompt to complete the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from Zelle to Wise using this alternative method. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.